Hello, today I'm going to show you an unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the ORNARTO Compatible with the iPhone 15 Pro case. It's a 6.1 inches slim liquid silicone, 3 layers full covered soft gel rubber cover for protection of your phone, with anti-scratch microfiber lining black, as you can see in black. Of course, it is available on the market in different colors like amethyst, baby blue, blue itself, chalk pink, dark blue, gray, pastel lilac, olive green, marigold, lilac purple, light green, lemon yellow, hot pink, peach, pine green, red, stone gray, and white. It's compatible with the iPhone 15 Pro model. It is not compatible with any other device out there because the iPhone 15 Pro from 2023 has a little shape of the halo of it, because it does not have any more edges. It's round, a little bit more round and smooth, so the shape is different. So you can only use these slim liquid silicone layers on the iPhone 15 Pro. The liquid silicone for our iPhone 15 Pro is a case which is for the iPhone 15 6.1 inches from 2023, which is the real liquid silicone, the anti-dust better than over 95% silicone cases. This gives durable two-layer construction for reinforced toughness and smooth touch ever. Plus, the inner microfiber catch and freeze any abrasion that may occur by hugging every corner. Additional, the case has passed the SGS, the FDA, the GRS, and the RoHS, the raw certification. This taking care of Earth environment too. Special based bevel exquisite design for the camera too, which can give an extra protection for the lens, as well as not effective the wide angle camera and the flashing lights. The premium iPhone 15 Pro rubber case stands out and bestows confidence and aesthetic taste to its master. It always keeps dry and clean, as it's very easy to wipe off dust and dirt on the protective iPhone 15 Pro case. Any stain that gets on the case of the iPhone 15 Pro wipes off easily with a damp rag. We keep our phone case always in a clean status. It provides us with multiple fashionable colors. This matches to our iPhone 15 Pro with any color what we need. Expressing romantic life with the fresh macaron colors. And it looks really cool, and it's really cheap because it protects our phone nice and cheap, and it looks cool. Protection, easy to clean, oleophobic, anti-fingerprint for iPhone 15 Pro, and it's colorful out there. We have a 3-layer structure, precious cutouts, and a comfortable grip. For example, only 1mm raised lips for the camera system and 1.6mm raised lips for the edges of the phone. Screen and camera so are protected really good. Focus and beautiful. The new scene of simple life, making life fun and accessibility. And of course, it comes with a good carbon neutral product design, climatic pledge friendly. This really cool looking ORNARTO phone case, which is compatible with the iPhone 15 Pro from 2023. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. 再见。